Oklahoma homesteaders are some of the most resilient and determined people who've created legacies for families all across our state. Stories of settling the West, statehood, and the Dust Bowl are ingrained in every Oklahoman at a very early age. While we can visit museums, talk with our elders, and read about the past, there are other reminders that we might come across as well. Plants such as roses, lilacs, daylilies, spireas, and irises often conjure up memories of our grandparents. And it's no wonder, because just like our grandparents, these plants have shown resilience and determination in some of the toughest conditions. These plants are the ultimate in low maintenance, being exposed to whatever the weather brings. Freezes, high winds, droughts, surviving without proper water and nutrition, and proving to be resistant against diseases and insects, surviving against all odds. Oftentimes, as gardeners, we get wrapped up in the latest cultivar, whether it's a double flower or a new foliage variegation. Or perhaps we can plant that plant because it only gets 3 to 4 feet tall now, rather than the traditional 6 to 8 feet tall. With all of these new options to customize our garden, we may also be getting plants that are a little more susceptible to other aspects. Just like myself and the other generations that have come after our grandparents, we too have more options to go and do and be something different. But it's always important to remember our roots and the value and beauty of the generations before us.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.